The USB port of your FRITZ box allows you to connect external hard drives and USB sticks. The data stored on such devices can be made accessible to all users in your local network, and you have the option of granting restricted access via Internet as well. This way, the same files can be used by a number of people and access to them can be restricted using a username and password. The FRITZ box supports up to 3 external USB hard drives or other storage devices via a USB hub. Please make sure that your external hard drives use separate power supplies or use a USB hub with its own power supply. Your FRITZ box supports the file systems FAT, FAT32 and NTFS. Data in the network will be accessed via FTP or Samba. MP3, WMA and WAV audio files can be accessed and streamed via the UPnP protocol. The options for USB devices can be defined in the menu USB devices. Allowing network access to your USB mass storage devices requires only one mouse click. Activate the FTP access here, and the files are released for sharing with your local network. After you save the settings, the files can be accessed via FTP directly from your browser. In Microsoft Internet Explorer, you have to add the address /fritz.box or the IP address of your FRITZ box if it was changed. To use the USB storage device as a network drive under Windows, please enable USB network memory, click here, and map the network drive by clicking the right mouse button. The only thing left is to assign a drive letter. Now you can use the drive as if it were connected directly to your computer. If there are a number of users in your network, it is advisable to activate security settings for the new drive via a password. Please enter your password. For security, please repeat your entry. Confirm via Apply, and access will be restricted to those who know the password. The FTP username is set to FTP user. Granting access to your USB storage devices via the Internet is just as easy. To configure Internet access for USB devices, please select the Expert mode in your FRITZ box. Under USB, Mass Storage Devices, you will find an additional option: Grant access to USB mass storage device to users from the Internet. The address for your USB storage device will be shown here. In your FTP client, you will probably have to enter the username FTP user separately, so that this part of the address is not important. If you do not have a fixed IP address, which is generally the case, you will need to use a dynamic DNS service to reach your FRITZ box via the specific name chosen for this service. Before you remove USB storage devices from the FRITZ box, select the Safely Remove option in the FRITZ box menu to ensure that your data will not be damaged.